There's this company called Hair Color Expert who contacted me to dye my hair. Check it. So this guy, he said, just watch some of the videos. What's really interesting? You want to color your hair lately? Must invite you over. Exchange for it. Of course.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
A lot of people say like the bleaching process is kind of painful as well. Like if you want to do like weird colors like white and blue and shit like that. So see how that turns out for me. What's life without a little bit of pain?
Baby, you're the one for me.
In the midst of all this stress, all this fucked upery in this whole week, I know I can take solace in knowing that I went to Uniqlo and did some shopping. And I'm gonna dye my hair today. I have reached the location, guys. This place is like pretty intense, man. That's the place. Hair Color Expert. I'm supposed to look for a guy named Dino or Doni. Dino, Doni. Huh. I'm looking for a guy named Dino.
Jonathan, is it?
Yeah. I got a 1 PM appointment, but then like I'm kind of here early lah. Oh, I think I saw him on the way out. He's got white hair. It's like this type of hair also, right? But is it okay if I get a haircut as well?
No haircut here.
Oh, there's no haircut here, one.
So just only
Oh shit. Oh, just color only lah.
color and treatment.
Oh, okay. It's cool.
So you wait for
No, no worries. What if I want to do it like you? Like this is the top part and not the side?
and then can get this color. Bleach like
Wow, this is like it's like a fucking rainbow.
you can get this color.
What about like this, but a bit brighter? Is that doable?
But I can do for you this one.
How long does it take?
3 hours.
If a bit brighter than that, is that okay?
Yeah.
We try to do this, right?
Okay.
But
Okay.
then like if got more time, we try to do brighter.
Right.
Can ah?
Sure.
Okay ah. Going in. You get rinse first? Oh, rinse first. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, thanks. Oh, I gotta go up a little bit.
Okay.
Is that okay? So is it like you do like layers lah? It's like you do one by one.
Yeah, I
Like
do.
that.
I do here,
Yeah.
here. Is it okay?
Yeah. The lighting here quite good, eh? This is K-pop, guys. Oh man. So this is like bleaching lah. Yes. Oh wow. Because like, I've done a lot of things to my hair, but I've never like dyed. I've never bleached it before. A balding John. I'm balding in the center. Damn man. So thick, man. Yeah man, it's already a bit brown up there, right? Man, I look like Mr. Mugato. This is extremely itchy lah, I feel. But they said tattoos would be painful too, but it's not that painful. What's the foil for?
What's that?
Oh wow. Looks like I don't want the government to mess with my thoughts. Yeah, it feels fine. I love the fall, it's a new look. Illuminaman. Half an hour has gone by. Time to see the results. I hope I don't end up blonde. But if it's blonde, that means it's good in some way because they're gonna do one more round. Shit man, that's like the brown that's all coming on my hair. Yo. Ready. Oh shit, I'm blonde way. We're not blonde completely lah, but man. Okay. This looks like it's not real, man.
Alright.
Damn man, this is so blonde way. Wow, I'm like Naruto, bro. You know Naruto, right?
Yeah.
Or like Bleach Ichigo. So basically Kakashi is a product of 2 Narutos. Oh dude, this is crazy man. I'm like Super Saiyan Goku, bro. Oh wow, it's so dry. Damn. If you want to do dark grey, right? Does that mean you bleach all the way, then you do black a bit, then that's how you get grey, or?
Yeah.
Oh. I hope we have time to do that, man. Babe, it looks quite nice, lah. Wow. Super Saiyan, babe. Damn, son. Wow. Dude, damn, man. I'm gonna remember that one time I went blonde. We're recording this right now. I look like if I cut my hair, I could literally be like Yondaime Hokage.
Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Dude, this is so white, bro.
No lah, okay lah, yellow, still yellow lah.
It's still yellow, man?
Yellow white.
Okay, maybe I can't see it properly lah, but like because of the lighting and all that. But right now lah. Oh no, it's because you haven't watched. Okay. Yeah, man. Always. Oh wow. You're right. It's quite nice lah. Why ah?
Very fast grow by your hair.
Oh. Actually, if it's long hair, right, then wouldn't the whole head become damn dry? Then how you moisturize again?
Do treatment.
Oh, wow. So if you do it grey, it'll like darken. Will it darken or
A bit darker.
a bit medium dark? No wonder lah. You say no time. You take because you do treatment, you gotta do the dye also.
Yes.
Oh. It's like I'm reverting back to my old color, man. Ooh. Got biscuits and shit too. Half an hour has passed. Oh, sit down first. Okay, okay. It's black again. Actually, can cut hair upstairs, right?
Yes.
Are they good?
Not sure lah. Alright.
Okay. Oh shit! Hey, quite cool,
Alright, done. Yes.
Alright. Ooh, hey, damn nice, lah.
So where's your cutting line?
Yeah, that's a cutting line.
Not so different, no? Not so different, right?
Yeah, man. I should have dyed my hair earlier in my life. Shit, what the fuck am I doing? the color like gradient is very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank you so much, dude. Damn cool. I love it. Okay, thanks, bro. See you guys. Damn sick. I love it. Push. Right. Fucking dope, man. But I need to get a haircut though. Okay, so basically I cut my hair. I think it looks much better now. The sides are trimmed. Alright. I figured I should record it now before like I head over to Penang and then like my hair grows long and then it looks like shit. And this doesn't look good. But on we go, guys. Are you all ready? Ready for Penang? For work. See.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.